Hey guys, today I have with me Redmi Note 10 Pro. The smartphone offers a 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display having a pixel density of 395 ppi and a refresh rate of 120Hz. Redmi Note 10 Pro has a bezel-less punch-hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. On the right spine, you'll find the volume rocker and power button. The power button also works as fingerprint sensor. On the other side, the phone has a SIM tray. On top, there is a secondary microphone, IR blaster, speaker grill and a 3.5mm jack. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port and a speaker grill. Redmi Note 10 Pro comes with a quad camera setup with Redmi branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internals. Redmi Note 10 Pro comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G chipset with 8nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 6GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 64GB, which can be further expanded up to 512GB. Redmi Note 10 Pro offers a 5020 mAh battery powered by a 33-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera specs, the phone features a 64-megapixel quad camera setup and includes a 64-megapixel primary camera, supported by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 5-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel depth camera. Also, the phone offers a 16-megapixel front camera. The software version of Redmi Note 10 Pro is Android 11 with MIUI. So guys, that's it for Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching this video.